Welcome to our podcast, where we uncover the most important and interesting stories for you. In this episode, we will reveal a shocking discovery about footprints in the sand dating back 1.5 million years. Nearly 1.5 million years ago, two species of humans lived alongside each other, maybe aware of the existence of the other, and even interact. A study has revealed that the two species of ancient humans crossed paths on a lakeshore in what is now modern-day Kenya. That ancient lakeshore is part of the Koobi Fora fossil site. The revelation was made by fossilized footprints in the sand in the area that have preserved the unexpected and extraordinary moment. Scientists say they likely lived as friendly neighbors instead of squabbling over their differences. Their presence on the same surface, made closely together in time, places the two species at the lake margin using the same habitat. Geologist and anthropologist Craig Feibel of Rutgers University in the United States said, "The footprints were so closely made that they indicated that the two species passed each other in this area within hours to a couple of days." Kevin Hatala, first author of the study and an associate professor of biology at Chatham University in Pittsburgh, said, "We see them in the very same lake margin environment, passing within this area within hours to a couple of days of one another. They probably would have been aware of each other's existence. They saw each other, and they might have interacted," added Hatala. The footprints at Koobi Fora were first spotted in 2007. They are the oldest known example of hominins walking upright like modern-day humans. In the same region, the skeletal remains of several ancient human relatives have also been found. More footprints have been found since then, with the most recent ones in 2021. Scientists noted deep and perfectly preserved prints gouged out of what was once soft, squishy mud. They were covered with sediment over time, but Hatala's team excavated them in 2022. There's one long trackway with 12 hominin footprints in it. It was made at a decent walking pace, especially since they were walking through mud. "There's not a clear destination at the end," Hatala said. The researchers discovered that based on the imprints, two distinct walking styles existed at the time. They were made by two different species of hominin, and both inhabited the site. The prints appear in the same sediment layer, which led them to conclude that they were made at the same time. Researchers say that the two species coexisted with each other because they had different diets and lifestyles. They did not have to compete with each other and so lived peacefully. They are confident that the footprints were made within hours to a few days of one another, since there is no cracking on the surface of the footprints. That would have happened if they were exposed to air. That's all from this podcast. Thanks for listening. We have many more such compelling episodes for you. Enjoy them. Do share your opinion in the comment box and subscribe to us for more.